Please refer to the end of this video for important safety information. Welcome to your Algovita spinal cord stimulation system. Our goal is to deliver a powerful system that is easy to use, so you can move beyond your pain and get back to doing what you love in life. This is a short guide of how to use your Algovita Pocket Programmer. The Algovita Pocket Programmer was designed to fit into your daily life easily and discreetly. With its small size and key fob design, the Pocket Programmer can be taken with you on a key ring, in your pocket, or in your purse for your on-the-go stimulation needs. Your Pocket Programmer wirelessly communicates with your stimulator within 3 feet. The Pocket Programmer has 3 main settings that you can control. Stimulation status, to turn your stimulation off or on. Strength, to increase or decrease the strength of your stimulation. And program, to change the current program that your system is running. To navigate, you will use the increase, decrease, and select buttons. The Pocket Programmer also displays the stimulator's battery charge level and the programmer's battery charge level. There is also a quick stimulation off button on the side of the Pocket Programmer. Pressing and holding the red button down will turn your stimulation off. From there, you can select a new program before you turn your stimulation back on. To turn your Pocket Programmer on, slide the black Power On-Off button down and hold for about 2 seconds. The rectangle will scroll down the screen as the programmer connects to your stimulator. Once it's connected, the Pocket Programmer screen and the stimulator battery charge level icon appear. To turn your programmer off, simply slide the Power On-Off button down and hold for 2 seconds again. To turn your stimulation off or on, repeatedly press the Select button until the top icon begins to blink. While the icon is blinking, press the plus button or the minus button to select stimulation on or stimulation off. The icon will continue to blink. While the icon is blinking, press the Select button or wait 5 seconds to confirm the new setting. To adjust the stimulation strength, verify that your stimulation is on by checking the top icon. There should be a check mark in the stimulator. Then repeatedly press the Select button until the strength icon begins to blink. While the strength icon is blinking, press the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the strength of your stimulation. Press the Select button or wait 5 seconds to confirm the new setting. To select a program, repeatedly press the Select button until the program icon blinks. While the program icon is blinking, press the plus or minus button to select the new program. Press the Select button or wait 5 seconds to confirm the new setting. Welcome to your Algovita SCS system and your life beyond pain.